Hi, so this video is vertical. So make sure to either press that little square thing to open it fully if you're on your phone. If you're on your TV or computer, you're just gonna have a little bit of blank space on the sides of me, sorry. So a little bit of context for the video you're about to see. I made it while I was living in Japan over a year ago, and it was meant to be part one of a 6-part original series for an app that will remain nameless. Now that didn't end up happening, but because I put a lot of work into this first and only episode, I thought I might as well share it all with you instead of it just living unwatched forever on my computer. So without further ado, enjoy! Hi, my name is Annika and I'm from Sydney, but currently living in Tokyo, Japan. I love crafting, so today I want to go and try some DIY kits from a huge Japanese craft store called Usawire. I have always wanted to try needle felting. I mean, look how cute these are. So I picked out a beginner's needle felting kit, which said it was easy. The instructions for this kit are in Japanese, which I don't speak particularly well, but what could go wrong? It's 10:30 p.m. That is the most logical time to start a craft project. I have no idea what I'm doing. Help. After a slow start, I figured that to needle felt, you need to stab the wool repeatedly with this needle, and that makes the fibers become dense and mesh together, and by repeatedly stabbing the wool piece, you can slowly start forming it into a dense little woolen ball. This is extremely satisfying. After a total of 2 hours, I'd managed to make myself 2 felted balls, one for the panda's head and one for the body. I also discovered that needle felting is somewhat dangerous. I stabbed myself several times, as you can see from the band-aids on my fingers. 2 balls made, 2 fingers down. So the trick to this is not stabbing yourself. It was now time to make the panda's ears from the darker grey wool and then attach them to the head. I think this ear is much too big. Oops. I struggled a little bit, but I got there in the end. The ears are way too big. Then it was time to give the panda some eyes, a nose, and cute little rosy pink cheeks. You know what this looks like? Then to attach the head to the body, first I needed to stab through the poor panda with 2 needles to hold the 2 bits together, and then repeatedly stab around the neck to join them up. They're attached. And the final step is drilling holes in the head so I can attach these eyes using some craft glue. What have I made? Well, I can't say I particularly enjoyed that so much as it felt like a chore, because felting, huh? Good night.